Hi, I'm Leanne, and this is my review of Blippi's trash truck. So the best thing about this toy is that this little lever works to actually function like a real trash truck. My kids have a blast with this. I like any toy that's lifelike, and to me, this trash truck has several features that are very lifelike. Let me show you the little trash can. It's so cute. The lid opens up. So my son is 3 now. He got it when he was 2, but he enjoys loading things into this trash can and then dumping it in the truck. It just slides on and off right there. My daughter also likes this, and she is almost 5. So I think it does span a lot of ages. It has a noise feature, but it's not too loud.
Are you ready to recycle?
So you can hear that's actually Blippi's voice. It's not too loud, which is a must-have for every parent and toy. I like that you have like some details on the truck here. You have your warning signs. The truck rolls really well, and I'll show you that now. So here's a quick look at the truck rolling easily. It's got good wheels. The back opens up so the kids can load up in there. On the bottom, you have what looks like some standard hardware. This is of course child-proof with a screw. But yeah, we've owned this toy for a year. It does come with a little Blippi that sits in the front seat. I couldn't find him, but he is around our house somewhere. But we've had this a year. It's held up, it's in good condition. My kids still like it, so I definitely recommend this toy.